morning, Ma'am Jessa. This is our report on Scrum Model. Introduction of Scrum Model. Effective communication is fundamental both personal and professional life. Over time, various communication models have been developed to understand the process of message exchange between individuals or groups. One of the most influential among them is the Scrum model of communication created by Wilbur Langstroth in 1954. Unlike earlier linear models, Scrum proposed a more interactive and dynamic approach to communication, emphasize the cyclical nature of encoding and decoding and feedback. This paper aims to explore the advantage and disadvantage of the Scrum model to evaluate its effectiveness and limitation in the real-world communication. The Scrum model is based on the idea that communication is a two-way process where both the sender and receiver play active roles. So dito, nag-exchange sila ng roles. Yung from receiver, i-send niya yung message niya. I mean yung from sender, send niya yung message sa receiver. So yung pinaka-key part natin dito is yung meron tayong feedback. So yung receiver, mag-feedback siya kay sender. So yung sender naman ang magiging receiver. So yung sender na kaganina ay ngayon naging receiver na, ay siya naman ang tatanggap ng message from the receiver, which is yung kaganina na yung sender na ngayon. Advantage of Scrum model. Two-way communication. The model recognizes the communication is not one-directional by including feedback. Scrum model promotes the idea that receiver becomes sender, allowing for interaction and clarification. This reflects real-life communication. 1. Focus on understanding. The concept of field of experience highlights the importance of shared understanding with its sender and receiver. So dito, pag naintindihan ng, for example, parehas sila ng naranasan, yung for example, receiver, naranasan din yung sender. So parehas din sila na naranasan. So mabilis, so parehas na sila, maintindihan nila ng maayos yung kanilang pinag-uusapan. Miscommunication is more likely to occur when individuals do not share similar backgrounds or knowledge. Dito naman yung disadvantage nila. So kapag magkaiba sila ng naranasan, so may chance na magkaroon sila ng discommunication na magkaroon sa conflicts. Dynamic and circular communication is portrayed ongoing cycle rather than one-time transmission. This allows for corrections, elaborations, and negotiations of meaning throughout that interaction. So ito naman yung isa pang advantage niya. Kapag for example nga, yung sender nag-ask ng tanong dun sa receiver, magbibigay ng sagot yung receiver, which is yung feedback, pabalik sa kanyang sender. So yung receiver naman kaganina is mag-ask for clarification, babalik niya sa receiver. So, ayun, bibigyan din siya ng feedback ng sender kaganina, which is yung receiver naman ngayon. Disadvantage of Scrum model. So, kapag yung Scrum model daw is ginawa lang ito for dalawang tao, ginawa lang siya dalawang tao for interaction lang talaga. So hindi rin siya pwede pang mass communication kasi nga dito yung receiver and sender lang yung pwede mag-usap. So hindi siya pwedeng magsama ng ibang Kasi pag nagsama siya ng ibang participants, iba na rin yung model na tawag sa kanya. Tapos dito, meron pang isa pang barrier na which is yung noise na nagsasanhi ng hindi pagkakaunawaan. Pag hindi narinig or hindi na-transmit ng maayos yung message sa receiver, ay pwede magkaroon ng miscommunication sa kanila.
Inaantok na ako. Yo.
Isa pa sa mga advantage nito ay yung meron silang feedback. So, dun sa linear model, wala silang feedback. So, yun, wala silang feedback dun sa ibang ano. Where dito naman sa Scrum model naman, merong feedback. So, tapos dito sa isa pang disadvantage niya, no clear role or medium or channel. While the model includes encoding and decoding, it doesn't give detailed attention to how different media or channels affect the message, delivery, and interpretation. So, ayun. Hindi malalaman yung medium or yung channel kung ano yung ginamit na channel dito sa Scrum model kasi there's maraming process na, maraming medium na pwede gamitin or for example, verbal, non-verbal, and oral communication. Yun. So, i-explain naman po ni Clarence yung kung paano yung nandito po lang sa mga
So, good morning po, Ma'am Jessa. I'm Clarence of Singapore. At ngayon naman po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang aming physical Scrum model. So, ang teacher po dito ay ang aming sender. At ang message niya is, what is x squared minus 25 equals 0? In this model, the message is the problem to be solved. At ang model, the channel is the teacher asking for the problem to be solved. At meron po kaming ano dito, receiver, di lang po namin na-print, which are the students. At ito po ang feedback. The feedback is the answer to the problem given by the teacher. At ang sender naman po namin sa second part of our model ay si Lance. Ang message niya ay, Sir, how did you arrive to that answer? At ang kanyang channel naman po ay yung pagtatanong niya po ng question. At ang amin pong receiver sa second part ay ang teacher. At ang feedback niya po ay
the answer to the student asking for clarification. X squared is equal to 25 is equal to 0. Transpose the negative 25 and add it to 0 is equal to positive 25. X squared is equal to 25. Then we are going to square root it. Square root of x squared is equal to square root of 25, which is the answer is x is equal to 5. Then you will arrive to answer x is equal to 5.
okay na yan.